Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a good day. Today let's make egg biryani. This is one of the easiest, delicious and flavorful biryanis you can make at home with easily available ingredients. Let's move on to the recipe. Into the blender goes about 3 inches of cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom pods and about 8 cloves. Blend all of this into a fine powder and keep it aside for a while. Here I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of ghee followed by 1 teaspoon of oil. Any non-flavored oil can be used. Here I have used sunflower oil. The entire garam masala that we have prepared earlier goes in. Make a smooth paste of 9 garlic pods, 5 green chilies and about 2 inches of ginger by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water as required. Half of this paste goes in. Keep the flame low and saute well until the raw smell goes away. Along with 1 finely chopped onion. Give it a stir every now and then until the onion turns translucent. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or as per your preference. Into this goes 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash it 2 to 3 times or until the water runs clear and strain it well. Give it a good mix. For 1 cup of rice, I am taking 1.5 cup of water. Here for 2 cups of rice, I have taken 3 cups of water. Check salt and add if needed. Keep this in medium burner and high flame for 1 whistle. Now switch off the flame and let it depressurize. Moving on to the gravy preparation, let's quickly chop 1 medium-sized onion and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Into the pan goes 1.5 tablespoon of ghee followed by 1 teaspoon of any non-flavored oil. Here I have used sunflower oil. Chopped onion goes in. Add some salt and saute well until it turns translucent. As soon as the cooker depressurizes, transfer the rice onto a tray and let it cool down. Here I am adding a bunch of roughly chopped coriander leaves. You may add a mix of coriander and pudina leaves instead. Keep stirring until the coriander leaves are done. Into it goes the rest of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Wait until the raw smell of ginger, garlic and green chili paste goes away. Keeping the flame low, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Keep stirring until the raw smell goes away. Now the tomatoes goes in. Keeping the flame low, cover and cook until the tomatoes are completely done. Give it a mix every now and then. In the meantime, make 3 or 4 slits on the hard-boiled eggs. I have already done a video on how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. I will give the link down below in the description box. The tomatoes have cooked completely. Into this goes half a cup of water. Now we will add the eggs and let this cook for another 5 to 6 minutes or until the gravy gets thicker. Adjust salt and add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala or any store-bought masala for that added taste. This step is optional. Now that the gravy has become thick, I am removing the eggs. Adding rice into the gravy in batches and mixing well. Keep mixing until the rice is evenly coated with the gravy. This step is optional, but it will make the eggs a little bit more spicy. As soon as the pan starts getting hot, add some oil followed by a few pinches of red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Let's fry the eggs until it turns slightly crispy on all sides. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.